Hey everyone, in today's video we'll go over how to add Apple Pay to your Uber Eats account, guys. It's actually a very fast and secure way to pay for your food orders, and it's actually super simple to set up, guys. Let's dive in, okay? So first things first, make sure that Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone. Go to your settings, tap on Wallets and Apple Pay, and then add a payment card if you haven't already. Just follow the prompts to enter your card details with and just verify it with your bank if you need to, right? Then, guys, once you have set this up, once you have Apple Pay ready, what you want to do, guys, is open up the Uber Eats app on your phone, okay? This is the second step. Make sure that you're actually logged into the account where you want to add Apple Pay as a payment method. Then, guys, what you want to do is you want to head over to the payment settings, guys, right here. Payment settings. And what you want to do is this is usually found in the account section, usually found in the lower right corner of the screen. From here, what you want to do is tap on wallet and or payment to see your payment options. So in your payment settings, guys, you want to look for Apple Pay as an option. Just tap on it to add it as a payment option, and then just add it to your account. Basically, you're going to be adding Apple Pay as a payment option to your account, and if everything's set up correctly with your Apple Wallet, guys, Uber Eats will actually connect to it automatically and you will be all set, guys. So now that Apple Pay is actually added to your Uber Eats account, you can now select it at checkout. Anytime you place an order, it will actually appear alongside your other payment options, right? Just select Apple Pay at checkout and you'll confirm payment with either Face ID, Touch ID, guys, or your passcode. And that's it, guys. You are all set to use Apple Pay on Uber Eats, which makes, checkout super quick and secure. And I hope this guide helped you. And if it did, guys, please give the video a like, hit subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions in the comments. I would be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy your food. See you in the next one, guys. Make sure you